Are you married to an Italian citizen? Then you may be entitled to Italian citizenship, regardless of whether you have any Italian ancestry. But there is an urgent warning you need to know about right now, before it is too late. Italian citizenship by marriage, known in Latin as jure matrimoni, is a completely independent legal pathway that requires no Italian ancestor whatsoever. If you are married to an Italian citizen, or if you are in a civil union with an Italian citizen, you are entitled to apply for Italian citizenship after a certain period of marriage. This pathway was not changed by Law 74/2025. The Italian Ministry of the Interior explicitly confirmed that the rules for citizenship by marriage remain entirely unchanged. And unlike citizenship by descent, this pathway does not require you to live in Italy. You can apply while living in the United States or Canada. Let us look at exactly what the requirements are. First, length of marriage. If you reside in Italy, 2 years of marriage. If you reside abroad, as most of you watching this video do, 3 years of marriage. If you have children together, whether biological or adopted, all waiting periods are cut in half. Second, a B1 Italian language certificate. Since 2018, every applicant must demonstrate a basic knowledge of Italian. The certificate must come from a recognized institution, such as the Società Dante Alighieri, the Università per Stranieri di Perugia, or the Università per Stranieri di Siena. Certificates from unaccredited institutions are rejected without exception. Third, a clean criminal record in both your country of residence and Italy. Fourth, the marriage must remain valid throughout the entire process. Divorce or annulment terminates the application. And now, the urgent warning I mentioned at the beginning. On April 8, 2025, Draft Law DDL 1450/2025 was presented to the Italian Senate. If passed in its current form, it would eliminate entirely the possibility of obtaining Italian citizenship by marriage for spouses residing outside Italy. This means that the pathway that is open to you today, while you live in the United States or Canada, could close permanently. As of May 2026, the bill has not been passed, but it is under parliamentary consideration. Legal experts across Italy are advising, if you qualify today, apply now. Do not wait. Let us look at how the process works in practice. The application is submitted online through the Italian Ministry of the Interior portal. Physical presence in Italy is not required. The required documents include marriage certificate with apostille, applicant's birth certificate with apostille, criminal record certificate from country of origin and country of residence, B1 Italian language certificate from a recognized institution, and proof of the spouse's Italian citizenship. The processing time is 24 to 36 months, depending on the workload of the competent authority. The application fee is €266, unchanged by Law 74/2025. There are a few special categories worth knowing about. First, same-sex marriages. If your marriage took place outside Italy and is properly registered with your spouse's Italian municipality, the process and requirements are exactly the same. There is no distinction whatsoever. Second, B1 exemption. The Italian Constitutional Court ruled in March 2025 that individuals with certified learning disabilities or serious medical conditions may be exempt from the B1 language requirement, provided the exemption is verified by a public health authority. Third, marriages before 1983. If you were married before April 27, 1983, and the marriage was registered in Italy before March 27, 2025, you are exempt from the B1 requirement. Citizenship by marriage appears straightforward in theory. In practice, the majority of applications are delayed or rejected for entirely avoidable reasons. The most common reason for rejection is name inconsistencies between different documents. The second most common is a language certificate from an unaccredited institution. Every case requires careful preparation and full coordination of all documents before submission. If you are married to an Italian citizen and you meet the requirements, or if you are simply not sure, do not wait. Draft Law DDL 1450/2025 could change everything without much warning. Request a free assessment of your case. We will review whether you meet the current requirements and tell you exactly what you need to get started. Click the link in the description, complete the case assessment form, or contact our law firm by email or phone. Email info@italiandualcitizenship.com. Call 332-2775. 023 Our law firm can review your situation and get back to you within 24 hours.